Cambium Networks makes reliable and scalable Wi-Fi. Our Wi-Fi solutions are purposely designed for the connectivity needs of modern enterprise. With CN Pilot Xirrus high-performance access points, enterprises of all types can have a scalable network that performs to expectations and does so at a significantly lower total cost of ownership. Reliability doesn't come for free. Field reliability comes from deep knowledge of the technology and the application. We listen to customers, investigate alternative solutions, develop preferred solutions, and then test to validate performance. And we continue to test to create solutions that consistently deliver high-performance, enterprise-grade wireless solutions.
I'm Gary Hansen. I'm the Director of QA and System Test here at Cambium Xirrus, and today I'm going to be taking you a tour of our state-of-the-art Cambium test facility with over 300 stations. I think you're going to be amazed when you see the amount of investment we've put in to build this incredible test facility. But the main test we're running today is a roaming test, where we've got all these stations associated to 2 different APs, and then the automation system will kick in, and every hour it will close the lid on one of the APs in the Ramsey installation box that it's in, forcing all the stations to roam to the other AP. So when I refer to the Ramsey box, I'm talking about this box that we built here in-house. Our automation system is able to go in, tell that into that Raspberry Pi, tell it to close the lid. That'll force all those stations that were associated to that AP, and it'll roam to the other AP. So we're really excited about our latest addition to our test bed, and that's the CN Pilot APs that you see here. We also test the outdoor APs. We have the Cambium outdoor APs and our Xirrus outdoor APs. We have 100 iPads here, other tablets, smartphones, you'll see, all for a real-world scenario. This is the room where we run the automated tests on the Xirrus APs. We have over 120,000 automated tests running. Our automation system, as soon as it gets a build from the developers, it loads that build on over 20 APs. They're functional tests as well as performance tests that we rely on to verify we have a solid build. So every build that gets run, we get the VeriWave results for that build. For every AP that's connected to the VeriWave, that's a conducted test. I talked about our over-the-air chariot test. We have results for that. As you can see here, we measure latency, we measure jitter. We have a very aggressive roaming test where we're doing 4,000 very quick roams. This is a single AP, 4 radio AP, and we're roaming them stations between the different radios. And over here, what I find very useful is we get a histogram. So when we're looking at a build, we can take that build and look at what is the performance for that particular AP across all of our previous builds. And we do that, again, we do it both for the VeriWave test, which again is a conducted test, and the open air chariot test. So I interact a lot with customers. I think they know us as the high density play. They know us that we dominate the education market. What surprises them is when they start to see the breadth and depth of the features that we offer. They're blown away when they say, can you do this, can you do that? And the answer is yes and yes. And I think that's what really distinguishes in their mind that they make the right choice when they purchase Xirrus APs.
So what does all of this testing mean to you? Simple to deploy everywhere. Ensure maximum uptime without the hassle of dispatching technicians. True zero-touch configuration and RF-aware network features optimize Wi-Fi. High density. Wi-Fi demand can ramp up quickly when large numbers of people in auditoriums, classrooms, or public areas simultaneously go online to access content and stream videos. Thousands of enterprises around the world have chosen our CN Pilot Xirrus high-density Wi-Fi access points that minimize the amount of equipment for large campus deployments. CN Maestro and XMS Automated Cloud Management let you intuitively configure, monitor, and manage your wireless network. Contact Cambium Networks to leverage our experience into your network solution. Improve network performance, reduce time and cost of provisioning, manage with confidence. Deploy wireless fabric intelligent edge solutions that streamline operations and improve your bottom line. Cambium Network Solutions, the way wireless networks should be.